'tis the season to be jolly. La 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 la. Yada 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 yada. Blah 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 blah. Hey, it's Mr. O with the Yummy Delicious Cookie Show, and today we're gonna make my secret recipe, yummy delicious barbecue chicken. Now, first, I washed it, washy. And secondly, I started to season it. Remember, you have to put seasonings of your liking on both sides. And then I'm gonna put barbecue sauce and tell you one of the secrets that a lot of West Indians use. That's Jamaican, Trinidadian, things like that, you know. All right, so let's go. All right, so first things first, I'll pop up. Oh no, that's the wrong, okay. Anyway, so, see, I started to season it. So, I like garlic. Garlic is like a wonder spice. Garlic is good for you. It's good for your blood. It's good for people that have hypertension and high blood pressure. It cleans your blood, and it kills like microorganisms and bacteria, bad bacteria. So that's good. You put that on there. And then you can never go wrong with adobo. You heard me say it before, right? Adobo. A lot of Latinos use adobo in the Latino community. Yeah, the adobo. Sprinkle. And remember, I put it on both sides. Because every single bite, every single morsel that you give to a person or yourself must taste good. Every bite of the chicken, right? And then pepper. Booka. Okay? And then I have salt from the Himalayas to all my players from the Himalayas. And then, here's another one. What's his name? G. Hughes. I like him. I like entrepreneurs. G. Hughes, sugar-free. And I'm not getting paid for this, for no advertising. I just like it. And it's very good, very affordable, nice herbs. Okay? And then I got honey barbecue sauce. Honey. So, you know, I dropped the top hip hop piece to my people on YouTube and TikTok. Okay, so you pour that on. I don't have enough for both sides, but here comes the secret ingredient. You would never think. Okay, here's your hint. They put it on hot dogs and they hamburgers. But you would never think if you bake it on some chicken. Ketchup. I gotta flip these over because I want the ketchup on the other side. I got barbecue sauce on one side. It looks good already, and I didn't even cook it yet, right? If you thought my curry chicken was good, wait till you see this, okay? Taste this, rather. I hope you can taste it already, because I do. My mouth is watering. Okay, so now put a little ketchup on the other side. Shh, my family don't even know I do this. Little ketchup. I learned this from Auntie Sonia, the Jamaican, my sister-in-law, and thing and all. Now, the big secret. This is gonna be good anyway, okay? Delicious for your tasty tongue palate. But, see, my wife cooked chicken the other day, and she got the soul food in her because she's African American, and then she got the West Indian Caribbean in her because she's from St. Thomas on the other side. So when she cooks, it's like a blend. Now, on top of what I just showed you, I have her gravy from the chicken from the other night. I'm gonna pour that over everything. Oh my God! Irene! Yeah, man. I'm getting so excited. Okay. And then I'm going to put aluminum foil over here so that it could, you know the word thermal from science, right, my students? Thermal means what? Heat. We're going to trap the heat in with the aluminum foil. I'm going to put it in the oven, all right? And then I will show you the outcome, all right? All right, so stay tuned and come on back. Mr. O, and that's my man Aaron. He just walked by. One day we're gonna let him talk. You wanna be on camera? That's Aaron. He's a super trainer, super salesperson. Are you on there? Everything.
What's up, everybody?
Yeah, man.
Yo,
Look out for him.
Mr. O.
Well, where can they find you at or find out about you?
You can follow me on Instagram at Tone by Tony, or you can follow me on Facebook. If you got Mr. O on there, you'll see me on there.
All right. That's my man, Aaron.
Yes, sir.
All right. Okay, guys, so we'll be back. All right. Peace and delicious chicken. Oh, no. I forgot the cebolla, the onions. I got to put the onions on it. I chop them up, chop, chop, chop. And then I forget to put them on it. But the onions, it's really going to be yummy. So I'll just let you know, I'm going to put the onions on it. Woo! Now, after those onions cook into the meat, it's going to be a yummy, delicious treat. Something good to eat. Yummy, yummy, you might tell me. Happy holidays. I'll be back soon, okay? Okay. Hey, I finished the yummy, delicious chicken. Look. Yummy, delicious. I put some sazon on it too, you know. That's that orange reddish color. Yeah, man. It's gonna be good. Can't you taste it? And I also made sweet potato. And my wife said, hey, that was for Christmas. Oh, well, so sorry. Oh, God, I tried to stay out the doghouse. Okay, I hope you enjoy it. Taste it. Yummy, 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 delicious. Oh, here, wife, you want to be on the camera? Yeah, I used some of your secret recipe, too, but you don't know how you did it. We'll talk about it later. All right, love you. See you guys later. Merry Christmas and Hanukkah and Kwanzaa and New Year and all that stuff. See ya, Mr. O, the hip-hop teacher, yo. Gotta go. Ready to eat.